daw parehong career-oriented ang couple? Nagagamitan lang? Siyempre, bago ko sagutin yung tanong, paano nga ba masasabi na ang dalawang couple ay career-oriented? By definition, kapag daw career-oriented ka, it means you have goal about your job and position. It only means na kailangan mong gawin yung mga responsibilities mo in order to achieve that goal. Ang pagmamahal, wala yan sa career-oriented ka o hindi career-oriented. Pag puso ng pinaandar mo, pag mahal mo, mahal mo. Well, actually ako ikukwento ko experience ko. Mas nakatulong sa akin na ang partner ko ay career-oriented din.
Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darb.
Bakit? Naintindihan niya ako. Naintindihan niya na busy ako kasi busy din siya. Naintindihan niya yung priorities ko and nire-respeto niya yon. He understands and knows my values. Kaya gustong-gusto ko na career-oriented kasi pareho kayo ng values, pareho kayo ng priorities, at kayong dalawa naghihilahan pataas. Dahil kapag ang partner mo is hindi career-oriented, mahihirapan kayo parehong mag-adjust. Alam niyo, sa totoo lang, that's what we need. Someone to share our goals and push each other to achieve it. And ladies, hindi mo kailangan mamili between love and career. Dahil ang tamang partner will help you get both